So in today's hack, I'm going to show you how you can synthesize multiple documents and get the relevant information. So today I'm going to show you that I want to know some information from a NIST cybersecurity framework. As you can know, it's a big framework, lot of information there about it on the internet, and pretty large size documents are there. So in place of reading all this information and trying to memorize everything, I'm going to show you a hack with which you can quickly find the relevant information. So your information is on your fingertip when you want it. So to do that, let's go to Notebook LLM of Google. Here you click on New Notebook and upload the files. So all my files I kept here, 5 of them, and upload them. So here, as you can see, all the documents are loaded. Let's ask our first question about asset management. As you can see, I have now all the detail about asset management, and this answer has come from using multiple documents, and I can click on any of these documents and jump to it, the source of this information. And here, so literally you don't have to read now the 5 documents, but you can just ask the questions you want to answer. Let's ask another question. What is PRAA03? Okay, here's the answer, and here are the reference documents. And you can take these documents and you can pin them also, save as a note. So when you come back, this is always, it will be there. So hopefully this hack will help you to read things very fast. And basically you can take a shortcut to learn about any information. In place of reading all these documents, you can just ask questions and be done with it. Thank you. Thank you for your time, and let your feedback keep coming. What else, what other hacks you would like to know about AI?